Shapes group. The Shapes group in Paint has many different shapes. Look at the shapes. Let us learn to use some of them. Rounded rectangle shape. Rounded rectangle means a rectangle with curved corners. You can draw rounded rectangle by following the given steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. In the Shapes group, click on Rounded Rectangle Shape. Step 3. Click on the Size box and select the line thickness. Step 4. Drag the mouse on the drawing area to draw a rounded rectangle. Curve shape. Curve shape is used to draw curved lines and shapes. To draw a curved shape, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab.
Step 2. Select the curve shape from the Shapes group.
Step 3. Click on the Size group and select the line thickness. Step 4. Drag the mouse to draw a line. Step 5. Now click in the empty area to make the line curved. If you click above the line, the curve will be upward. If you click below the line, the curve will be downward. If you click on the left or right side of the line, the curve will be towards the left or right side. Step 6. A dashed rectangular selection box appears. You can drag it to change the shape of the curve. Click anywhere outside the selection box to complete the curve. Polygon shape. Polygon shape is used to draw a polygon. A polygon is a closed figure with more than two sides, for example, triangle, square,
rectangle,
pentagon. To draw a polygon, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the polygon shape. Step 2. Click on the Size group and select the line thickness. Step 3. Select a color from the color box.
Step 4. Drag the mouse pointer in the drawing area to draw a line. Release the mouse button to finish.
Step 5. Place the mouse pointer where the second line should end and again click the left mouse button. A line joins the end of the first line to the point where the mouse button is clicked. Step 6. Repeat steps 5 until the drawing is complete.